Are you looking to learn how to set up text message reminders in Housecall Pro to streamline your communication with customers? In this quick Housecall Pro explanation, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end, you'll be able to keep your clients in the loop without the hassle, all through a few simple clicks. First, let's dive right into it. Housecall Pro makes managing your business easier with automated reminders for appointments. To set up text message reminders, simply log in to your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, go to the Settings section from the main dashboard. Under Notifications, you'll find the option to set up automated reminders. Click on Text Message Reminders, and from here, you'll be able to customize how and when reminders are sent to your customers. Housecall Pro allows you to send reminders via SMS, which can help reduce no-shows and keep clients informed. You'll see options for customizing the message's timing, set reminders to go out a day before, a few hours before, or at whatever interval works best for your business. The best part is that you can also add a personal touch to these reminders. Housecall Pro gives you the ability to insert the customer's name, appointment details, or even special notes into the message. This helps ensure the message feels more personal and that your customer knows exactly what to expect. Next, don't forget to enable the text reminder feature for your appointments. This is typically done by clicking on the scheduling feature when creating a new appointment and ensuring that the Send Text Message Reminder option is checked. You can even create custom message templates for different types of services, so you don't have to manually write each reminder. It's also worth noting that Housecall Pro allows you to track whether the reminders were delivered successfully. If you notice that certain customers didn't receive their reminders, you can troubleshoot or make adjustments to your settings for better delivery next time. Now, if you're new to Housecall Pro, it's important to mention that this platform offers a robust set of tools for managing your business. Aside from text message reminders, it provides features like online booking, invoicing, and customer management, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. It's perfect for service businesses looking to improve efficiency and reduce time spent on admin tasks. Want to try it for free? We've got you covered. Use the first link in the description below to access an exclusive free trial of Housecall Pro, which gives you full access to all the features, including text message reminders, with no obligations. By the way, stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a special bonus offer that extends your free trial even further, allowing you to get more value out of this awesome software. So if you're looking to optimize your business processes with Housecall Pro, setting up text message reminders is just one of the many ways to enhance your customer service experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your service game with Housecall Pro. Go ahead and click the link below to get started today.